Now we are going to see how to modify the templates. Salesforce provides an easy way to generate PDF copies of contracts, quotes, proposals, and other documents for prospects and current customers. You can save the PDFs to disk or to a customer. The documents are known as templates. Before using a template, you can modify it to match your standard branding by adding a logo and other design elements. You can also add other elements such as product images, contract line items, and areas for signature as needed. To modify the templates, so just click on the settings, click on setup. In the quick find search box, type code settings. Click on that code settings. So if it is not enabled, we have to enable this. So here it is already enabled. That's why I'm not going to do any changes. Just go to the templates now. So just type the templates in the quick find search box. So click on this code templates. So just click on edit next to the standard template. Click on this code template properties. There you can type a descriptive name for the code template. I'm going to type a wholesale code template. Click on OK. Then click on save button. So that's the way we can modify the templates, code templates.